Hey guys, so today you're going to be working on your Chapter 12 review. Okay, so for number one, you're simply going to find the total. So add the coins up. Okay, remember doing that count on and write the total. Don't forget your cent sign. Okay, over here, circle yes or no to tell if the groups of coins show equal amounts. Okay, if they do not, circle the group with the greater amount. Okay. So if they're equal to each other, you're going to circle yes, and you'll be finished. If they're not equal, circle no, and then circle one of the groups. Okay? All right. Here, a peach cost 62 cents. This is how much money you paid. Write the amount of change given. Okay, you can work on the problem over here in this blank to show how much change you're going to get back. All right. Write the sum or difference, so pay attention to the signs there. Regroup where needed. Okay, if you need to use your whiteboard that I sent home, you guys can work on that, or a piece of scratch paper, and then find it. Do not do these in your head, guys. Okay, please do not do those in your head. Here, find the total amount. All right, paying attention to the bills. Write the total amount that you have. Here, you're going to write the time that's on the clock. Do not forget to look at that hour hand first, guys, and then the minute hand. Here, you're going to draw the hands on the clock to show each time. They've given you the time. Then when you write the time below, you're going to write AM or PM. Okay, so you're doing two things. Writing the hands on the clock, write the time below with AM or PM so they give you your hint. Okay, and then this is a work backwards problem. So before we do that, we're going to talk about working backwards. Okay, it says Miguel goes to the library for 1 hour after school. Then he bikes home in 15 minutes. He spends 45 minutes working on the homework before he has dinner at 5:30. What time did Miguel get to the library, which is what the first thing he did. So we have our finishing time. So what we need to do is work backwards. They gave us some clues. So we're going to start at 5:30 because that's the only really time that we know. And we can work backwards to solve this problem. So if we start at 5:30, let's go to the clues that they gave us. Let's go to the clues that they gave us. We're going to count backwards 45 minutes, okay? Count backwards 45 minutes. So they started doing it. They did 30 and then 15 more because that's 45 minutes. Okay, so they went backwards 5:30, 5:25. Let's do that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 will get us to 5 o'clock, but then we still need to go 15 more minutes. Okay, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay, so that puts us at 4:45 because they had gotten to 5 o'clock. You have to go past or before the 5 o'clock is 4. So when you move that minute hand backwards past the 12, you have to move that hour hand to the previous hour. Okay, so it's 4:45 right now. Then he spent 15 minutes riding his bike home. So we have to go 15 more minutes. So they showed that here. 5, 10, 15. So that puts us at 4:30. And then it tells us he was at the library for an hour. So 4:30 minus 1 hour is 3:30. Okay. I know these are kind of tricky. It's more of a problem solving, thinking about. There will not be one of these problems on your test. So this is just kind of a bonus to kind of see if you guys can work backwards. Okay. And think about it. Look at that lesson 12-12. There's some things in there that can help you with that. All right. Okay, guys. Make sure you understand all of this. If you have already finished your review, I want you to go on Seesaw. I put some activities on there for math, for money, and time, so you can work on that. Okay? All right, talk to you later.